Here we divide 536 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. Now we put down these 3 and it is 30. 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. Again we put down this 6 and it is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 0. So 536 divided by 2 is 268. So this much for today and thanks for watching.